Hey guys, in this video we are going to learn how to allow or disallow the notifications in Firefox browser and also how to customize the notification for specific sites. So if you want to allow or disallow notification, what you can do is you can go to this 3-bar icon, settings, and under settings go to this privacy and security tab, and if you scroll down you have this option under the permissions which says notification. Click on the settings and here you have the option to block the new notification request. Now based on this checkbox, it will allow or block the notification, asking you whether to allow notifications or not. So this will help in reducing those ugly pop-ups that you receive on every website that say to allow you notifications. Now right now its checkbox is enabled, so it will block the notifications and you can click on save changes. Now if you want to customize the site specific notification, what you can do is you can open any website, say suppose browser how, and then you can click on this padlock icon in the URL bar, go to connections, and here you have this last option which is more information. This will open the page info or the more information page. You can switch to permissions. In this permissions it has a list of all the permissions that the website currently have. By default everything is set to use default, which is nothing but the settings, and if you want to customize for specific websites, say suppose for browser how I just want to allow the notifications, then I can just uncheck this use default and toggle radio button to allow. I can also set always ask or block, and it will just use the system default. So let's say I allowed and then I can close, and here in this URL bar you can see this toggle that is permissions, and here you can see it's allowed. So the browser how can send notifications. Now if you want to clear that, you can just use this cross icon here, or if you go back to settings under the same notifications, you have all the websites that you have allowed make the custom notification settings. For example, browser I just made it allow. Now if I want to block it, I can just go and select block. I can also select all the websites and remove and make sure the default setting which is there like allow or block will be reflecting on this particular page. And this way you can manage notifications and also customize the website specific notification in Firefox. I hope this helps. Let me know if you guys have any questions. Thank you. Cheers. Have a great day.
Hey, let us know if you got any questions in the comment box below. Thank you. And please do not forget to subscribe, like, and share the video. Cheers until the next time.